Malo soy fua. By now you know that the verb and the tense marker work together to create a verb phrase. Here's an exercise to help you with your verb phrases. Learn as many words as you can that can operate in the verb phrase. Remember, in English, verbs are only action words like run and jump. But in Samoan, you can also use description words like helpful, happy, or sad. So if I was happy, then you connect a past tense marker like na with fia fia. Na fia fia. If I'm sitting, I attach a current continuous marker, olo'o, with sit or nofo, olo'o nofo. So here's your exercise. Learn about 20 action words: open, close, sit, stand, talk, and walk. Also learn your tense markers. In your everyday life, use your verb phrase to describe your actions. Na tatala, olo'o kapungi, e savali. Once you're comfortable with that, start connecting your noun phrase to the verb phrase. O'a'o lo'o nofo, I am sitting. Ole pule na ita, the boss was mad. Ole fale e au leanga, the houses are ugly. Once you get that down, let's try combining the noun phrase and the verb phrase. Instead of o'a'o lo'o nofo, how about o'lo'o nofoa'u, I am sitting. Ole pule na ita le pule, the boss was mad. O fale e au leanga fale, the houses are ugly. Notice when the noun phrase goes inside of the verb phrase, we drop the O. And put the noun or the pronoun after the verb or main idea. Hopefully you know by now that each pronoun has a preverb way to say a pronoun and a postverb way to say it. We know the postverb way already because it's the same way that we say it in the noun phrase. So let's try the preverb way. Instead of olo'o nofoa'u, let's move the pronoun a'u before the verb nofo, olo'o nofo. Get your list of pronouns, tense markers, and verbs and create your own verb phrases. For all of your actions, create a phrase. If you're walking, olo'o savalia'u. Then say it the preverb way, olo'o savali. If you looked outside, na va'aia'u. Then try the other way, na ova'ai. Do this every day as often as you can until you feel comfortable with your noun phrases and your verb phrases. Ma'ako.